Dr. Reza Ghorbani is an award-winning, Harvard-trained interventional pain management specialist, a practicing physician, and president of the Advanced Pain Medicine Institute. Dr. Ghorbani is the founder and creator of Noxicare Natural Pain Relief Formula. Doctor, what is Noxicare?
Noxicare is a new natural pain relief formula that safely and effectively alleviates acute and chronic inflammation, muscle ache, and nerve pain.
Why did you create Noxicare?
In my practice, I treat patients with all types of pain, from arthritis, fibromyalgia, muscle and joint pain, to sciatica and every type of pain in between. Many patients suffer because both over-the-counter and prescription pain creams just don't work for them. Even more, many patients suffer from side effects of pain medication, which can actually hinder their healing process, causing irreparable damage to their bodies and generally makes their lives miserable. My goal in creating Noxicare was to provide a natural pain reliever that really works but is completely safe to use, even if it's used in conjunction with other medications.
And what is in Noxicare?
When you take a look at the history of medicine, you'll find a number of all-natural ingredients mentioned again and again. These are centuries-old proven painkillers like turmeric, willow bark, holy basil, and ginger that ancient civilization trusted and used with great success. Many still do. To create Noxicare, we combined 7 of the world's most potent natural pain-relieving ingredients in precise amounts that allow each individual ingredient to alleviate a specific type of pain on its own, and we found that our formulation caused the best kind of ripple effect. Each ingredient acts as a catalyst to the others, actually strengthening the effectiveness of the formula as a whole.
How does Noxicare work?
Noxicare works differently than other pain relief products. Instead of numbing the pain point like most pain creams, Noxicare targets the source of the pain and deeply penetrates layers of skin to help promote the body's own healing process.
Now, how else is Noxicare different from other pain medications?
Noxicare stands out from other pain creams in some other wonderful ways. Noxicare has no greasy feel. You put on the cream, rub it in, and you don't have to worry about soiling your clothing. Noxicare is odorless. There's no bothersome menthol scent. Noxicare is accessible to anyone at a reasonable cost and without a prescription. Importantly, Noxicare contains no pharmaceutical products. It has no known side effects, so it's safe and effective to use for everyone in the family.
Do you need to use it every day?
When you first start using Noxicare, my recommendation is to use it at least a few days in a row. After that, you should see the difference. Now, there are patients who do not need to use it every day, and they use it during flare-ups. But there are some patients who may need to use it every day. It depends from patient to patient.
Does Noxicare help with pain associated with arthritis?
Absolutely. Arthritis is a condition with inflammation of joints. Noxicare is an anti-inflammatory product that can alleviate the inflammation associated with arthritis. So a lot of the patients who have joint pain because of arthritis can see a tremendous amount of relief using Noxicare.
Does Noxicare help with pain associated with back and neck pain?
Definitely. Most of the back and neck pain conditions are musculoskeletal in origin, and Noxicare is a product that can improve the blood flow to the muscles and ligaments and has an anti-inflammatory properties to it too, so it can decrease the pain at the same time. So it definitely is a tool for relieving the regular back and neck pain.
Does Noxicare help with pain associated with diabetic neuropathy?
Absolutely. In diabetic neuropathy or any other neuropathy, the nerve endings, usually in the hands and feet, are the source of pain. Noxicare is a product that can improve the blood flow to these nerve endings and subsequently help with the pain relief associated with diabetic neuropathy and other neuropathies.
Does Noxicare help with pain associated with fibromyalgia?
Definitely. Fibromyalgia is a condition that patients have pain in their joints and muscle. Noxicare is a product that can improve the blood flow to these muscles as well as decreasing the inflammation in the muscles and joint. So a lot of patients with fibromyalgia who cannot tolerate other medications because of side effects have found relief using Noxicare.
Now, does Noxicare help with pain associated with carpal tunnel syndrome?
Absolutely. There's a lot of patients that suffer from carpal tunnel syndrome, and that's a nerve being entrapped at the level of the wrist. These patients have pain in their hands and they're unable to use it effectively. But rubbing Noxicare in the area where the nerve is, you can decrease the inflammation of that nerve and improve the blood flow, subsequently getting relief from the carpal tunnel.
Does Noxicare help with pain associated with other health conditions?
Noxicare is a product which can decrease the inflammation as well as improving the blood flow to the area that Noxicare is applied to. So any condition that you have muscle or joint pain, Noxicare can be a useful tool.
And doctor, what is your personal pain management philosophy?
It's all about quality of life. I've dedicated my career to helping people live the kind of lives they want to without the tremendous burden of pain. With Noxicare, people can free themselves of pain in a natural, safe way.
Noxicare.